making a big focus on co-location services, managed hosting, and voice over IP services. Still, our core competency and our core product is IP transit, but we're trying to diversify our product set and find other revenue models that fit and complement what we're already doing.
Being that we are in the interconnection business and providing, mission-critical data center facilities to our customers and our partners, I think it's important that our partners and customers and prospects understand that we're expanding our operations, increasing our inventory across the country. In fact, here in LA, we just recently added 2,000 square feet of additional space. Really want to let the market know that we have available inventory in key markets. We're expanding in a lot of our core facilities in New York and across the country, adding high-density space in Atlanta. So I think it's very important that folks know that we've got additional inventory coming online to make sure that we serve our customers and our partners.
What we're really focused on is really Enom's very well known as a domain registrar, and that's great, and we want to continue to build out our domains, but really what the next 4 weeks for us is about is really growing that portfolio of domain names. And I think what a lot of people are going to see is us really going after higher quality resellers and building out that chain of quality resellers. And so one of the things we'll be doing in February is really gearing up our instant reseller program. And so when we're at Parallels together, we'll have a lot of information about that, and that'll be a big focus for our booth at Parallels. So growing the reseller channel, growing our domains, and of course, we're here in LA, headquarters of Demand Media, and so the content strategy is huge. And probably the most important thing for Enom in the next couple of weeks, Liam, is we're going to be integrating deeper with Plug.com, deeper with Demand Media on our studio, and our millions of pieces of content that are available to our resellers, and building that out and really transforming our hosting platform to drive all those other goals.
Well, I mean, right now with OpenSRS, we're doing a lot of great things. We're really starting to do a lot of focusing on the reseller. We're focusing on our email product as one of our objectives, where about halfway throughout this year, we're going to be bringing out a new version of our email. It's our version 5.6 with a lot of great and exciting new features. We're doing some things where we're spreading out around the world and getting into the Latin American regions. We've started offering our sub-reseller functionality on the domain side of things, which has been very effective, and we're hoping to get a lot of traction in the industry with it, and it's very robust, and we're getting a lot of good feedback on that, and as well as all the wonderful registry promotions we provide.
2010, I think that it's going to be a great year for our industry as a whole, and we see that in every day right now that there's more demand for data center, for hosting needs that we have never seen before. And to do that, we're actually looking at additional markets to expand into, and that's what we're excited about. It's first time Net2Easy is looking at hopefully expanding into about at least 1 to 2 more markets before the year ends.
What we're here to do today is revolutionize the web hosting industry by creating the first search engine optimized web space account. And what we do is we help people get found in search. We help people get to page 1 of Google. And the exciting thing just happened today. Hostway just announced they're going to bundle our service with 1.5 million customers and help them get found in search.
In our business, it's so robotic. You're emailing people, you're on the phone, you never meet people face to face. So for us, it's just an opportunity to put a face to a name. Sometimes we've been talking to these people or doing business with them for 2 years. We've never seen them face to face. So have a cocktail or have a bite to eat. It's just a nice experience. And then you build that rapport with people, and hopefully you have a customer for a lifetime.
So I've been to a few of these WHIR events. They're fantastic, and what I've found coming in and attending these venues is that we identify a lot of prospective partners and customers, and it's an intimate environment that allows you to communicate effectively, really network. get the word out about our company, create brand awareness, and also, sync with these individuals and identify what some of their needs are and some opportunities that they have. So I found these shows to be great, these venues to be wonderful, and appreciate being here.
For us, like the WHIR events are really important to us because in the hosting space, there's major conferences like HostingCon, the Parallel Summit, Web Hosting Day in Europe, but the big gap in this industry was these regional events. And so the second we saw that you guys, where the WHIR was getting involved in this, we had to participate in it. And I think you're really filling a void, that's not available in the hosting, industry.
For me, the WHIR event is just a fantastic opportunity for people in the industry as well as in complementary industries to get together and chat about their businesses and get to know one another and see how we can work better together. So here, there's a lot of faces here that know who I am and I know who they are, and it's kind of a reunion of old friends, and we just kind of chat about what's new and exciting. So what I want to get out of today is to kind of touch base with some of our clients, touch base with some new prospects, and just see how things are going and let them know more about our organization.
I think that the main thing that we get out of here is a name recognition with another name recognition like a WHIR. You guys are big. We want to be with you guys. Every time we do this event, it's more about knowing us, people getting to know us, and that's an important thing. Our profile is being raised because we sponsor these type of events.
We're here to win friends and influence people. We just got here. Our flight was delayed coming out of Napa. Our plane got struck by lightning just 20 minutes ago flying into LAX. So in the air is a big lightning flash. So we're happy to be here on the ground and glad that we made it here on time to spread the good word and make the world a better place.